Hello and welcome to this tutorial. This is Wakanda Studios, and today I'm going to show you how to draw basic shapes in CorelDRAW. Learning how to use shapes is very important because they are the building blocks for creating designs like logos, posters, flyers, and many kinds of graphic designs. So let's get started. First of all, let us look at how to draw a circle. First, select the ellipse tool from the toolbox on the left side. Click and drag on your workspace to create an oval. If you want a perfect circle, hold down the control key while dragging. Now we have a circle. Now let us look at how to draw a rectangle. What you have to do is to select the rectangle tool, which is found on the left side of the toolbox. Click and drag on the workspace. There you have a rectangle. If you want a perfect square, hold down the control key while dragging. CorelDRAW also allows you to around the corners of the rectangle or square by dragging the corner nodes inside. Yeah. Let us move on. Now let us draw a triangle. To draw a triangle, use the polygon tool, and by default it creates a hexagon or polygon, depends on the version we are using. This polygon or hexagon has got many sides. Now look at the property bar at the top and change the number of sides to 3. Now click and drag to create a perfect triangle. If you hold Control, you can get an even triangle. Yeah, that's it. Number 4, let us look at how you can draw a half circle, also known as a semicircle. All you have to do to create a half circle, start with a normal circle, and then you can use a knife or a shape tool to adjust the knots, or you can use the knife to cut the diameter. As simple as that. Drawing a hexagon. Finally, let's draw a hexagon. Before drawing a hexagon, let us look at how we can draw a square. This is similar to the rectangle, but remember to hold Control while dragging so it becomes a square. Squares are very useful in layouts and designs. Finally, let us draw a hexagon. Go back to the polygon tool and set the sides to 6. Since hexa means 6, so set up the number of sides to be 6. Click and drag to draw your hexagon. Again, hold Control, keeps the shape balanced, and that's it. You have learned how to draw basic shapes in CorelDRAW, which is circle, rectangle, triangle, semicircle, square, and hexagon. Practice using these shapes because they are the foundation for your advanced designs. If you enjoyed this tutorial and you found it helpful, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more CorelDRAW lessons. Thank you for watching.